I'm getting this error on the washing machine. So the washing machine stopped working and the drum's still full of water. So I need to empty the drum and have a look at what the problem is. It was coming up with an error of they're saying F05, which a quick Google showed was possibly a drainage issue which may be related to the pump. But first of all, we need to empty the drum. So how do we do that? So you start by taking this off, which is the kick plate, just a flat blade screwdriver should easily come out. And then that is the drain point which needs to be opened. Basically I'll screw that and all that water should come pouring out. So obviously I'm going to stop the video and prepare to pull out the machine, tilt it back, open that with a bucket beneath it and then get the water out. So I'm going to start recording for this part. Oh, and I'm going to use the assistance of someone else. So I've taken the filter out, drained the water, made minimal mess, so you can see the floor is pretty dry, and drained the machine, taken the clothes out as well, and this is the filter which unscrews, and this is all the crap that came out of it. So I'm going to put all this back together now and put the washing machine, put the cover back and test it to see if that's the reason why it wasn't draining. And now I've switched it on just a spin cycle, and sure enough it's working again. So if it's not draining, check the filter first. Problem solved. So I've done a quick check to make sure there's no leaks, and this is nice and dry, which it is. Then I'm just going to put the plate back on.